안녕하세요, 여러분. This is Anthony Jarsaniba, vlogger South Korea. So, 90 beginners vocabularies pa rin tayo, guys. Episode number 3. So, ito yung maidadagdag natin na vocabularies. Beginners siya. So, number 1 is yung kunal ay that day. Okay? So, kunyang ay just or as it is. Number 3 is yung kudungan, meantime or meanwhile. Number 4 yung kudul, them or they. Number 5 is yung kute. Yung kute ay then or at that time. Kure, yes or yeah. Gure. Okay, gure, yes or yeah. Gure so or das. Gurem ay gram. Okay. Kurona, but or however. Number 10 is yung guronika, so because. Number 11, guramyan. Guramyan ay then or if so. 12 is yung kuron, then or such. Number 13, kuronde, by the way or however or but. 14 is yung kurom, then. Kuroke, like that or so. 16, kurokona, well or I see. 17, korota, yes or that's right. 18, kurotsumnida, that's right. Okay. Korojiman, nevertheless or but. Kurot, bowl or table. Ito yung particles, guys. Kurigu and gurida. Gurida is to draw. Okay. Kurim, drawing or picture. Kuman, stop or finish. Kubun, his or this the person. Kuchuke, the day before. Kuchuke, day before yesterday. And then next is yung kujung ay among them. Kujok ay there or the person. Kuchida, stop or end or cease. 30, kukjang. Kukjang ay cinema. Okay. Number 31, kuncho nearby. Cool, past or sentence. 33, kurseyo, I do not know. Kumpang, soon or a while ago. Kumyon, no smoking. Kumyuil, Friday. Kumju, temperance. Kup, class or grade. Kupada, hari or argent. Then kigan ay term or period. Kidarida, wait. Kiroda, to cultivate or grow. Kirum, oil or gasoline. Kibun, feeling. 45, kipuada, to glad delight. Kipuda, happy. Kisa, article or engineer. And then 48, kisoksa, dormitory. 44, kiokada, remember. 50, kion, temperature. 51, gicha ay reporter. 52, gicha ay train. 53, kichim, calf or ubo. 54, gita, other. 55, kinjang duida, be nervous, kinakabahan. 56, kill, way or road. Ito yung daan. 57, kilda, tulong mahaba. 58, kim, seaweeds. 59, kimbap. 60, kimchi. Okay. Then next yung 61, kimchi jjigae, kimchi stew. Gimpo Gonghang, Gimpo Airport. Ito guys yung airport dito sa South Korea. So, Kamansek is black color, Kamada black, Katta cut or shave. Yung Kamjak, Starled or surprise. Kekuthada, to clean. So, yan. Keda, wake up. Kechida, chip or crack or break. Koneda, take out. And then Kom, chewing gum. Cook, exactly or absolutely. And then yung Kut, flower. Kut jeep, florist or flower shop. Kuda ay dream. And then Kum is yung dream din siya. Kuda is to turn off or stop. And then Kurida to boil. Kut end. And then Kutnada finish or end. Kutnada finish. Kida put on or plug. Na I or ako. Nagada go out or get out. Nanoda divide, hatiin. Nada occur or come out. Nara country. Namu tree. Napachida spoil at last 90. Napuda bat. Okay? So sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy nito guys, mag-PM lang po kayo or mag-comment. Sasendan po natin lahat kayo. Okay? So hanggang dyan lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless.